Crutchlow. Lorenzo leads the way.
Rossi back up the inside of Marquez on the brakes into Cop's corner. Rossi into second place. Lorenzo leads by just under half a second. Spray pouring out from the two Yamahas at the front of this field. Rossi now closes right up on his teammate Lorenzo through Maggots and Beckett's. Polispardo still holding Danny Pedrosa off for fourth place. Back on board now with...
Sorry Simon, we're going to have to cut in. We have to cut in. Dovizioso, Lorenzo and Pedrosa are all down.
Well, he has. With there, it's Andrea Dovizioso, and down goes Bautista's a huge pile-up down into turn one. Rossi goes down.
Have a look,
now, look, this was it. It was just Dovizioso going front. Oh, and he just clips the front of Bautista, who catches Rossi, who then takes down like dominoes then.
He has that better grip through 16. They come up over the rise to 17. He's going to have another go at turn one.
He's tried it at turn one on the last lap. He's tried it twice at turn four. Each time Pedrosa has fought back. Rossi now, can he make the move again on the brakes into turn one? No, Pedrosa too strong. Repsol Honda just bucking and weaving under the brakes.
Oh, over the tyre wall. Oh,
Pedrosa holds firm yet again. We're coming up to turn number four. This is where Rossi's tried twice already.
This is Andrea Iannone running a brave fourth place with that dislocated left shoulder. Pedrosa. It is 4 points, could be a massive difference when we arrive in Valencia in the first week of November for the final round of the championship. 2 laps to go. Lorenzo crosses.